This squad will go as far as Jomel Anceta and Ian Torres. Parehas na mga focal points sa kanilang offensa, point of attack, and both offensively and defensively. Talking about focal points, Clint Escamis answers on the other end.
Another speedy guard. Big time recruit. Escamis stops, pops, and connects. Clint Escamis. He makes it look easy. For the Blazers, Sanchez. 1-on-1 today from beyond the arc. Escamis again!
So you know that young mid-range.
It's a piece, and Benil started his game, Coach Hammer, with a 7-0 start. And here comes Escamis.
And again, passing lanes being played well by Clint Escamis.
Reminding his players of what happened last year against San Beda. They don't want a repeat of that. Concepcion, what a stop! Rising up to deny Roger Ondoa.
Grabe, nakaupo na, naka-rebound pa.
Escamis gives it to Iliane. Torres is denying Manguban. Escamis with a burst of speed. Clint Escamis count the basket plus the foul.
Tuloy-tuloy dito ang pagdating ng mga atake ng Mapua. And Benil looking like they're shell-shocked right now.
And this amazing play from Clint Escamis is definitely our McDonald's play of the game, brought to you by the new and better McCafe Iced Coffee Boulder Brew Premier Blend. McDonald's, love ko to.
Unfamiliar territory for them. 14 turnovers na sila dito in the first half alone.
And the average 15.9. Clint Escamis. He makes a bad shot look good.
Dahil sizable dito, this is 13 points. You don't need to rush. You just need to put pressure. Daganan mo lang ng daganan.
Escamis for three. Clint Escamis. It's time. It's his time. Goosebumps. He is hoping, praying that they can finally bring the championship home. The face that runs the place. Last season's rookie MVP.